This is making nitric dioxide. N2, we have in the jar 78% nitrogen in a closed environment with 20% oxygen, roughly 21%. What I want to do eventually is use this flask, clean it some more, pump in nitric oxide using that Tesla coil, and run it through water with a clamp to try to create a weak nitric oxide concentrated solution. See how much of it I can produce with pH paper and calibrate it and roughly estimate how much I can make. But for right now, I'm just trying to make nitric oxide, which will in the future be used to make a small concentration of nitric oxide. I can smell the ozone in nitric oxide, so it's not a pure thing. Now, I do have good ventilation here, and I have fans. You can't hear them, but there's fans pumping them out in the environment. Yeah, it's a little bit dangerous if you do it long term, but this is work you can, as you can see. Maybe I'll come back with a piece of paper so you can actually see that you're generating nitric dioxide. Now can you see it? I can see it. It's generating a lot of nitric dioxide. Let me zoom in for a bit. It's running for 3 minutes. I'm going to let it run for 4 minutes. It makes a seal, so I can do this with a nitric dioxide apparatus like this in the future and generate NO2 gas. Not getting warm, that's good. Nitric dioxide is quite toxic in high amounts, but in this amount it's not that toxic. Now I'm going to turn it off. We have our concentration nitric oxide. I'm going to put this over my mouth so I don't inhale or breathe in nitric dioxide. Thanks for watching. Be very careful when working with stuff like nitric dioxide. As it evaporates away very quickly, we need to find a way of bubbling it into water. This to show you that you can make nitric dioxide this way. Thanks for watching the video.